Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Can company reports the following costs and expenses in May: factory utilities 16,200, tract labor 73,000, depreciation on factory equipment 14,350, sales salaries 51,000, depreciation on delivery trucks 4,300, property taxes on factory building 2,800, indirect labor 50,700, repairs to office equipment 1,400, indirect materials 82,800, factory repair 3,040, direct materials used 1,41,700, advertising 16,800, factory manager salary 8,100, officer supplies used 3,630, and the answer of the question is: determine the total amount of period cost, depreciation on delivery truck 4,300, sales salaries 51,000, repairs to office equipment 1,400, advertising 16,800, office supplies used 3,630, period cost is equal to 77,130. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.